What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. You're probably like, what are the signs of my car leaking antifreeze? So you pulling out the driveway or your parking spot and you see yellow, blue, green, pink, and you like, yo, it didn't rain last night. So you get out and you see the colors and you like, yo, my car is leaking antifreeze. And you probably like, where it's leaking from? It may be leaking from the radiator, the hose, the water pump, somewhere around that area. So that's why you are having an antifreeze leak. The next sign is smelling a sweet smell underneath the hood. So while you're smelling a sweet smell underneath the hood, that is your engine burning off the antifreeze, and it's setting off a nice aroma. It's not that pleasant of aroma, but you like, man, something sweet. And yeah, so if you're smelling something sweet when you're turning your vehicle off, that is antifreeze burning off of the engine. So yeah, you have an antifreeze leak somewhere under there. The next sign is you riding around getting it and your car is like, yo, it's overheating. You looking like, yo, why my car is overheating? That is another sign of your car is leaking antifreeze, because now you got to find where the leak coming from because your car is overheating. And so yeah, I had a video on how often should my antifreeze level drop, and I'll leave that link in the description below. But if you're enjoying this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd fam, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.